welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to compare the CogVideo X Wrapper new update and Gen Image-to-Video, CogX, where you can convert images into video. Today, in this video, we will learn how to convert our images into the best video, and the role of prompts in this, how to use tiles, and how to run it on low VRAM. So let's start. First of all, we will open our ComfyUI. After that, this is our workflow. The text encoder that we will use in this is Google's T5XXL FP8E4M3N. So first of all, let's understand this precision. There is our FP16, FP32, and BF16, so first of all, we should know how it works. First is FP32. Another one is FP16 and BF16. FP32 means it would be like a large cup, while FP16 and BF16 have smaller sizes than FP32. What's the difference here? More information will be stored in FP32, less in FP16, and the same applies for BF16. In this workflow, we will use BF16 since we don't have high VRAM. Why do we choose BF16 instead of FP16? When you fill a cup with water, some water spills outside, meaning some details are missing. What happens is that important details might get missed. B stands for brain in BF16. When the cup fills too quickly, details are not missed like they are in FP16. If you have low VRAM, we will use the BF system. So now you understand the difference between these systems. What we are going to use is, the next one is the FP transformer. We will enable it because we also have low VRAM. If I enable it, process will be faster. If you select one diff here, so the process will be fast. You can speed it up further using this. You have to install one diff in ComfyUI to make it run in ComfyUI. This will increase speed up even more. One diff save time. If it is taking 20 minutes to render, this will reduce the time to 12 minutes. First, you need to install one difference. For this, we will disable it. When generating a video, you may have seen the T-tile length quotient option. Let's understand how it works for video generation. How will it help video generation? And how will tile length and tile overlap improve the video quality? Let's help explain this. Our current frame is 49 tiles long, with a length of 60 and an overlap of 80, meaning, suppose we have a tile or frame, and its length is 16. The size of one tile is 16. As our frame is 49, this makes our total 49 frames. So what does overlap do if we say the overlap is 8? The next process will start from here, meaning 8 steps earlier. Take this. If it's 0 to 60, it goes from 8 to 24, 16 to 32, and 32 to 40. This is how it works. Now how do we calculate and find the units? Suppose we have 60 lengths. From that we subtract the 8 tiles that overlap, then multiply by our 49 tiles, so we get 8 times 49. So if we use this setting, the total length of the video generated will cover 392 units. If we adjust the setting, let's say we need a higher enhanced video. Suppose we are generating any video which will provide us the best result. Fourth 9 frames, so what best can we take in this photo? Add overlap 2, add length is fourth 8. Here is our setting for best result. 49 length minus 2 multiplied by fourth 9 will cover 2254. This will result in a much better quality video compared to 16 units with 8 overlaps. How you can adjust setting for better result? It will take a little more time to process. If you want faster results, then you can use one diff. Use one diff is recommended. To use one diff, you have to install this and make it run faster. So now we will use some images. First of all, we will generate this image and see what result will come. So the prompt that I am going to use is this. The rain is falling, and the woman is smiling in the rain, laughing with joy. Her cloth is wet, and the raindrops hit her cap when the wind gently moves it. So here, as you can see, I have shown a little bit that the rain hits her cap. As the wind gently moves, what result does it give us? Here you must be able to see its result. The problem in this video is that her hat is covering the woman's face. So here, because we added some cap in the prompt, it generated a bit of movement with this cap. So I wanted one drop to hit the cap and give a feel of slight movement, but what it did was, we'll see what we get by changing the prompt a little. Let us change the prompt and see what result we get by adjusting the prompt a little. So we remove the cap from this. Now we see that after generating it, it became even worse. So now we will keep the prompt simple without giving too much detail. We will keep it a little less detailed. The raindrop hit might have caused this problem, so I generated the same image with the same prompt in Gen 2 as well, and saw what difference came between Comfy and Gen 2. So you must have noticed that when I enhanced the prompt a bit for the test, I used less detail, like the rain it is falling and the woman is smiling. So now we will see if this will fix the problem. Now you can see that our cat problem, which wasn't fixed, has been fixed. So the prompt is very important. It's very important in generating the video. So you must input the details correctly. If you want the best result, I have uploaded an image where it's raining and she is dancing. This is black and white. A high-quality woman dancing in the rain. I used a simple prompt, so let's see what result we get. Here's the result. So you must be able to see how well it has converted this video from image to video. You can see the difference here. This video was generated by ComfyUI. The UI is this, and this video was generated by Gen 2. You might say to compare it with ComfyUI gives very good results. So first of all, let me tell you that there's not much difference in the result. I'm talking about ComfyUI. I'm using FP16, not FP32, and I have enabled FP8. Because I have low RAM, this comparison is correct. If I make it FP32 and disable it, it will bring even better results. So this comparison between Gen 2 and ComfyUI is correct, but you can see the difference in the details here. I have an image of rain falling, and if I use tile length 38:8 overlap, I'm giving it more details. So here in the video that it generated, the hand is not coming out correctly, as you can see. Try many troubleshooting methods. Try to generate it differently. If this hand problem is not fixed, the hand is slightly tilted here, so it's bending somewhere. If you face this problem, you can use this method, or use another image. You can use it like this. This will prevent the hands from overlapping. If you want to generate this type of image in the video, you can see here that the hands are not overlapping this time. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.